Today we will discuss about the topic of Unit 1 force analysis, second of the tiny one diagram, the single cylinder engine. Okay. So as per the regulation of 2017, the dynamics of machinery, subject code, second half of the first unit. Okay. So multi-cylinder engine is a common problem. I mentioned the previous session. Just fast glance, have a look about this. So mainly we focus on the scale factors. Okay, scale factors. Here, the scale factor play a vital role. Okay, then CS will be play a vital role. CS in the sense coefficient of fluctuation of energy. Okay, right. So each and every energy point A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, the various positions, we try to find the value of maximum energy and minimum energy. From this value, we tell E maximum energy minus minimum energy, maximum fluctuation of energy we identified. Then M is equal to mass of the flywheel is the unknown delta. So rearrange this formula, we get the value of M alone. Okay, right. Today's concept is single cylinder engine problem. So different. So one concept is neglecting the suction and the exhaust. So the second concept is consider the entire area of A1, A2, A3, A4, A1 in the sense section, compression, expansion, and exhaust. Okay. So the two different categories are just we have to see in this session. Here in this problem, on graphical representation of the turning mode diagram, 750 rpm to 3000 rpm, it will be takes one particular over a cyclic manner during half of the remaining constant. Okay, then it will be falls uniformly to the 750 Newton meter during next half revolution and remains constant for the one revolution. With respect to one revolution from 6 pi to 4 pi, so half of the revolution 750 will be fallen from this 3000 to 750 half. Another one constant didn't mention in this problem. So with respect to the statement, the initial stage 750 will be raised to 3000. So here from B to C, pi to 3 pi, this is the half of the one revolution entirely. Okay, so this as per the given data, we have to draw the diagram, turning mode diagram correctly. Okay, so from this torque value, step 1, so various area A, O, A, B, C, D, E, F. So we can't calculate the entire area as per the geometry. So we have to split up the entire geometry functions, triangle, rectangle, square. In this manner we have to split up it and find the value of areas. Okay, so torque required is equal to 11,250 into pi. So final value of final area is equal to 11,250 into pi. Right. So second step is, so we try to rearrange the equation of torque is equal to T mean into 6 pi. So T mean we try to find the value torque by 6 pi. Why we have to put 6 pi here? So the 6 pi reason is, so 3 revolutions, 3 complete revolutions. So 3 into 360, 1080. So we have to split up in terms of pi, 6 pi. So this is the reason we have to multiply it. Okay. So third step is coefficient of fluctuation of CS. So split up, we have to make it in the area into area, triangle area, and the square basis. We have to split up it and find. We have to split up the area wise. Similar triangle method. Using similar triangle method, smaller triangle versus larger triangle. So the similar triangle method, we try to find the value of opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side for the smaller triangle, adjacent side for the larger triangle. So this is called as similar triangle method. Okay, in this manner we have to solve the triangle of ABC. Second, the triangle of CHD. Okay, del is equal to 8837 Newton meter. Substitute the value and find the value of del E. So basic formula of the del E is equal to mk squared omega squared cs. Right, the cs will be rearranged the formula, we get the cs value. So finally we get 0.071. Next problem. So in the next problem, the single cylinder single stroke 4-stroke gas engine, single cylinder single acting 4-stroke. So power is 20 kilowatt. Sorry for the inconvenience. Power is 20 kilowatt. The speed of the flywheel is running at 300 rpm. Work done by the gas during the expansion stroke is 3 times the work done on the gas, yes, during the compression stroke. So work E is equal to 3 times of work C. So work done at the expansion stroke is equal to work done at the compression stroke. So the relation is given in the term of statement. Okay, the work done during the suction and exhaust stroke is negligible. So this is the first model problem. So suction stroke and exhaust strokes are negligible. Okay, right. So the total fluctuation of speed is not to exceed plus or minus 2% of the mean speed. Okay, the plus or minus 2%. So the meaning of the plus or minus 2% is 2 plus 2 minus of minus 2. Okay, so cs is given, so try to find the value of I is equal to mk squared. M is the unknown data here, and k didn't give the mention that k value. So the final value is the moment of inertia. So we try to find the value of del is equal to I omega squared cs. I is the unknown data in this problem. So we'll try to find the value of del E. Okay, so work done per cycle, work done per stroke. In this manner we have to calculate the del E, total fluctuation of energy. So indirectly the power stroke is given. The power stroke is given in this problem. So P is equal to 20 kilowatt. Instead of 20 kilowatt, we have to convert it into watt into 10 to the power 3. That's all. N is equal to 300 rpm. Omega is equal to 2 pi n divided by 60. Right. Radians per second converted. So CS is equal to 0.04%. Okay. 0.04. That's all. No need to put percentage. Work done per cycle P is into 60 by N. This is the formula discussed earlier in the formula session. Okay, power is equal to 20 kilowatt, N is equal to 300 rpm, CS is equal to 0.04. Right, so number of working stroke per cycle, here the stroke is 4 stroke. So 4 stroke in a sense, small n we have to identify is equal small n is equal to capital N divided by 2. For a 2 stroke, no need to put divided by 2 of the capital N. N is equal to small n is equal to capital N. That's all. The work done per cycle is equal to P into 60 divided by N. Okay. So from the graph, suction and exhaust stroke is negligible. Here one relation is given. WC is equal to WC is equal to W. 3 times of WC is equal to WE. A compression and expansion stroke, one relation is given in that problem. With respect to WC, WE divided by 3. Okay, we have to substitute in the work done per cycle. WE minus of WC, we get the value of work done per cycle. So, sorry for the inconvenience. Work done per cycle value is 8000 Newton meter. 8000 Newton meter. Okay, in this 8000 Newton meter, we substitute here in this relation, we get the value of WE, work done at the expansion stroke. Right, so in this work done at the expansion stroke, W is equal to triangle of ABC. Where is ABC? ABC. This is the one triangle will be there. with respect to the triangle, we try to find the value of BC. How to calculate the value of BC? Here BC will be there. BC 3 pi minus of 2 pi. 3 pi minus of 2 pi. So with respect to 3 pi minus 2 pi, pi is a common, 3 minus 2 pi. So overall BC value is equal to pi. The base of the triangle, that means the base of the triangle BC is equal to pi. So substitute the BC value in the triangle formula of calculating the omega E, so work done per expansion stroke. AG is equal to, rearrange this equation, we unknown data is BC, we have to substitute it, we substituted in the BC value, we substituted the BC value here. AG is equal to 12,000 into 2 divided by BC, instead of BC we put by. So AG is equal to T max. This is the AG. Where is the AG? How to calculate the AG? AG is the A to G. This is the entire value of the AG. Right? So AG in another term of AG is, geometrical term of AG is called as T max, torque at the maximum. So we try to find the value of mean turning moment diagram. So turning T mean, we try to find the value. How to identify the T mean? T mean in a sense AF. AG we identified. We try to find the value of AF. So AG minus of AF. Otherwise we have to AG minus of FG. We get the value of AF. So the two way of approach we have to work out here. Okay. FG is equal to work done per cycle divided by crank angle by cycle. So 8000 divided by 4 pi. Okay. So 8000 is the work done per cycle. We already identified previous slides. Okay. Just go through it. And the crank angle per cycle is 4 pi. Why we have to put 4 pi? Because the 4-stroke engine will be comes under the category of 4 times of pi. Okay. Right. Finally, the Txs is equal to AF. How to calculate the AF value? How to calculate the AF value? AG minus FG. Where is AG? AG is the entire length of the term. FG is the smallest from the mean to below. Okay. So AG minus of FG, automatically we get the value of Txs. Okay. So 7001 Newton meter, we get it from this. So we solve this with the help of similar triangle method. Okay. DE by BC. DE by BC is equal to AF by AG. Just go through the graph in this, geometry data with respect to the graph. Where is AF by AG? AF by AG. Okay. Then DE by BC. Where is DE? DE by BC. DE is the base of the smaller triangle. BC is the base of the larger triangle. So AF is the height of the smaller triangle and AG is the height of the larger triangle. In this manner, similar triangle method, we try to solve the problem. Okay. So D is equal to 2.88 radians. We have to substitute here and find the value. To DE we have to substitute here. DE we have to substitute here. Triangle of DE into AF, ADE. We substitute the value DE 2.88 into 7001. 7001 is the Txs. So we try to find the value of del E before Txs. Another one is T mean, then del E. We get it. Okay. So the mass moment of inertia of the flywheel I is equal to. So rearrange this equation, del E is equal to I omega squared Cs. Rearrange this equation like this. We substitute the values, entire value and get the data. So final data of the answer is I is equal to 255.2 kg meter squared. So try yourself. From the Kurumi book, 16.10 is the example problem for you. So the new one is mass of the rim only, the additional data asked in this problem. Okay boys. Thank you.